Okay, real quick, I'm just going to talk about the flashcards. So flashcards are the quickest, easiest way to memorize things. It's a great way to study for a test. But you're just going to click on, I have a bunch of, I'm going to put a big list of sets of flashcards. But basically, you click on the link, and it'll take you to Quizlet. Now, Quizlet, I just wanted to show you how to do Quizlet. Basically, for this one, it's kinematics. There are 32 cards. On one side, it starts with the definition, and then on the other side, it has the vocabulary term. So it says where an object is in terms of well-chosen origin, basically is what we would, and so I got to think what word best fits this definition. Now, I know the answer is position. So to double check, I just click on the card and it flips it over. Now, if I got it right, I could put a star, and that just means that I got it right, and then I know that I got it right. Then I flip it back, and I go to the next card. How far an object actually moves. So there's two choices here. I could do the distance traveled, which is the path, or I could say the displacement. Well, when it's worded this way, I believe it's the distance traveled. Okay. So anyways, I don't want to go through all these cards, but I just want to show you how you could use these cards. And then you just go on to the next slide. Now, you can also, if you log in, and how would you log in? You would just log in here. Use your email. And so once you log in, there'll be some options. And so if I go over here to options, I can change some settings. I could turn on the text-to-speech. I could do the advanced text-to-speech. It's a normal speed, so I could speed it up or slow it down depending on what I want to do. Well, actually, you just leave it slow, or you could do normal or slow. It says show both sides of the card, study only starred items. Star is actually, I guess, what you would click when you don't know what it is. You want to start with the front. We want to show both sides of the cards. Oh, no, we want to start with the definition. Showing both sides of the cards will put both sides up at first. Like you'll just read it. And then we'll restart the card. And so when you do that, what it'll do is it'll read it. Then when you hit the space bar, okay? And then if I know it, I can hit no. If I don't know it, I still need to learn it. And it keeps track. Over here, it'll keep track of the ones I don't know and the ones that I do know. Now, if you don't click that and you move on to the next object, for example, I say that I know that one. So you just go through the cards, and then at the end, the goal is to have 0 over here under still learning and all the ones you know over here. And that's it. Now, if you turn off the track progress, then you can just go through the cards and just go over them. This over here will shuffle them. And then if I hit play, and if I'm not tracking progress, if I hit play, it'll. And so it'll just go through, and you'd be amazed. You would be amazed at how quickly you could go through all 32 of those definitions. But if you, and I would get, we're almost 1/3 of the way done, and I'm explaining how to use this. So it only takes a minute or two to go through it. And I think the benefit of that is, the more we got to get it in your brain 27 times, right? Okay. That's it. That's still going.